Okay, here's most of the parts that I have. Most of it I've just gotten along the years, and some of it I don't know much about, but there is a lot of good parts here. Some that I didn't even realize I had once I started pulling open these tubs I had. Anything kind of wrapped, I've had freshly powder coated on it, and some of these aarms are factory, some are aftermarket. A bunch of hubs and sprockets, axles, steering stems, domes, cool head. I got a bunch of nerf bars, one freshly powder coated, bin of headlights. There's a lot of brake lines, master cylinders, shocks, wiring harnesses, cable, ECUs. I didn't realize I had so many of those too. Frames, there's some wheels and tires, even a bunch of gold wheels that I hung on to that are in decent condition, skid plates, there's the lights, air boxes. Only exhaust I have is some stock silencers. Most of the stuff's all been freshly powder coated. Foot pegs, brake levers, shift levers, heel guards, bumpers, handlebars. There's some seats mixed in here on both sides.